Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the watch icon right here at the top of the screen and you should see your SUUNTO 9 right here on the device page. Now scroll down and find the option called Manage Connection. Tap on it and here tap on Forget and the watch will disappear from this page. Now we can go to the settings of our phone and open the Bluetooth settings. On this device it's called Connected Devices. And here check if you have the SUUNTO 9 on the list of previously connected devices. As you can see, I don't have it, but if it was there, tap on the settings icon next to it and tap on Forget to remove it from this list. Okay, and once you're done, that's it. That's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.